Welcome to Agentic AI Test Automation Framework tutorial. My multi-tool test automation framework is designed for SDETs and QA professionals who want to transition to AI native testing. Agentic QA Copilot solves the fragility, tool isolation and maintenance problems of traditional automation scripts by replacing them with an asynchronous event-driven state machine. Look at our repository directory structure. This framework enforces a strict separation of concerns. The agents folder contains our core logic and Llama index workflows. The data folder houses our cleared CSV and JSON test results logs, while the utils folder contains our multi-framework reporting engines. Instead of treating automation as a top-to-bottom list of procedural instructions, this architecture treats user requests as event streams, routing intents dynamically to independent execution modules like Selenium and Playwright without coupling them together. Now let us look at how it runs in real time. I have opened a terminal at the project root and now I am going to enter the primary launcher command. We initialize our asynchronous orchestration loop by invoking our workflow engine module path directly using Python. This opens our interactive console prompt interface. Our first live command is run Selenium test. When we give this command, the workflow engine evaluates a request, isolates the user intent, and constructs a Selenium execution event. This transfers control to our script runner step, which launches a headed Selenium session to validate some functionality and use a utility to record the test result. As an example, I am testing the standard user login on the Swag Labs website. Next, we give the command as show Selenium result. The Llama index scans our local Selenium screenshots directory. It gets the most recent screenshot from the execution path, opens it on our desktop, and shows the matching results row from our test results. This is the screenshot, and here it is showing the test results. After running the Selenium test, now let us execute run Playwright test. The Llama index orchestrator triggers the synchronized Chromium page interface to validate interactive web components, records timestamps, and captures the screenshot while avoiding sequential bottlenecks. Playwright has opened the Chromium browser and recorded the test result. To check our progress, we give the command show Playwright result. The Llama index opens the latest Playwright validation screenshot here and shows the test result. To see the full scope across both Selenium and Playwright frameworks, we execute show all results. This triggers an AI execution event in Llama index, causing the utils to ingest and process historical test results. It performs the data normalization and shows the test report table. Finally, we type exit. This cleans up background agentic loop workers, terminates active subprocess sequences, and closes the interactive console. The core code for this framework is completely live and publicly accessible. You can clone my public GitHub repository at github.com/inder-p-sing/agentic-QA-Copilot. This framework is protected under a proprietary license under software and testing training, ensuring security while allowing personal educational evaluation. You can read this framework architecture on my software testing space blog. You can message me on LinkedIn if you want Agentic QA Copilot automation projects for your resume or hands-on professional training. Thank you for watching, and let us build the future of intelligent quality engineering.